What's up guys, in this video we're going to be doing a quick comparison between Ring Alarm Pro versus SimpliSafe Smart Home Security. So Ring Alarm Pro integrates deeply with the Ring ecosystem and Alexa. It includes built-in Eero Wi-Fi 6 router for mesh networking, easy setup and good device compatibility. You can also get motion detectors, contact sensors and optional cameras that all work together, plus professional monitoring if you want it as well. So it's really ideal if you're already using Ring devices or Alexa at home. But SimpliSafe on the other hand focuses on straightforward, reliable security with easy DIY setup and a wide range of sensors. Its monitoring plans are flexible and the system works well without requiring a smart home hub. So SimpliSafe doesn't really tie you into one ecosystem. So this really makes it great if you want a simple, dedicated security solution without extra smart home complexity. So the thing you have to remember guys is that Ring Alarm Pro is best if you want to use smart home integration and expanded connectivity, while SimpliSafe shines if you want a focused, easy to use security system with dependable monitoring options. So simply choose based on whether you want smart features or simplicity and dependability. And that's it. So that wraps up our breakdown. I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.